Hey guys, Uncle Winston, and we're back at Computex 2025. We're at the TRYX booth here, and we have
Miguel.
Miguel's going to introduce some of the new products, including, first of all, the air cooler first, right? We've got this one here. What we got here?
This is our TRYX air cooler. So it features a 720p 5-inch HD screen.
720p screen. Yes. Okay, cool.
It is controllable through our Canali software, so it can play GIFs, MP4 video, which is a big thing. It can also use screen recording and screen capture to show video that you record yourself on it.
Wow. And this is kind of easy to mount?
Yeah, absolutely. So also for compatibility, if you have a taller memory, you can actually slide this forward to accommodate the RAM heights.
So you can do the height adjustment for memory compatibility. Cool, and you got them in the black version and the white version, right?
Correct.
All right. So
and there is a fan in the center as well, so if you ever need to maintenance that fan, clean it out, really easy to swap.
Oh,
it's magnetically attached.
The whole screen comes off. Look at that. Fantastic. Magnetic as well.
Yes.
Replace the fan if you need it. And this whole thing just pops in and the LCD comes back on. Amazing, look at that. All right, so these are the new products that you're pushing out. What's kind of like release date?
So everything that you see in our booth here is Q3 or Q4.
Q3, Q4.
Pending any type of feedback, any customer requests that we gain from the show. Obviously we want to come out with the best product possible, so if we get really good feedback, we may push those timelines out to accommodate those feature requests.
Right, I like this one here. Check this out. This is one of these new coolers that they're going to be releasing. It's called the Stage.
Yes.
All right, look at this. If you come around here, it's got the two LCD like this and also a mirror at the bottom here. Explain a little bit more about this.
Yeah, so the design for this was similar to like a concert stage, as you can see, based on the figures here. So Panorama was our flagship product that we debuted last year here at Computex. And again, the big thing with our company is innovation. What can we do different? What trends do we see in the PC industry already? So figures are very popular.
That's
a lot of people like to express themselves as figures on their desk or figures in the PC already. So we thought, how can we make that part of the PC building process?
Yes.
While still keeping part of our brand identity and our DNA with the screens on here. So you can actually control both screens independently or have the same image going. And then you can kind of create different backgrounds, really tie in a theme for your build.
That looks so fantastic. That'll work with a lot of PC building people like modders and things like that. Want to kind of make it unique.
Yeah, exactly. It allows you some self-expression as well as tying into a theme.
All right, excellent. And these are the original panoramas that we saw last year? Okay. And tell us, is that some of the new fans in the white?
Yeah, so this is a revision to our Rotofans. A Rotofan that came standard with our Panorama last year. It had daisy chain cables on the sides.
Daisy chain cables.
Yeah, these are now magnetic cables with a single magnetic attach on the bottom. This is now shipping with our flagship Panorama model.
It comes with the actual all-in-one coolers. Okay, look at that. That's so simple, easy.
Yeah,
I love the
Panorama SE still does utilize the daisy chain cables at the moment.
Right. So these are the new products from TRYX?
Yeah, we have a number of ones on the backside here as well.
All right, let's take a look.
We also have a CPU water block now that still has that same curved AMOLED screen.
Okay, so for hard water cooling guys, hard tubing and everything, you got the water block. It goes with all the same features that TRYX has. With the panoramic.
Same software controls, everything you're used to with our Panorama AIO, you're now going to be able to do in a custom loop environment.
All right.
So you can see a build here by AK Mod. He built this for us to showcase. And you can see it has the curved screen that we have with our Panorama series. It can lift off. It does still feature the VRM fan.
Oh, wow.
And it does have two G quarter ports. And it does come with the two 90-degree fittings to allow easy tube rotation and installation.
Excellent. Look at that. It's got the fan in there. That's pretty cool as well. And this goes in there. Is that a quarter thread?
G quarter thread,
G quarter thread. So it works with all the...
With every brand.
Yeah, every brand with the water cooling components. Fantastic, look at that. I don't know about the pink though, but but it's fantastic, yeah. So I love to see new water blocks, which has good aesthetics rather than just a plain old water block. So this is, when is this coming out?
Well, it should be out. Both the CPU water block and our Lucius fans, our new high performance fans, are the next two products on our roadmap. So those should be out this summer. I'd probably say June, July. Again, pending any major design change or any feedback we gain here at the show.
That's fantastic.
If everything stays as the set for the design ID, I would say within the next 2 months.
Yeah. All right, we got some cases.
Yes, so Luca was our flagship case that we came out with Last year we just launched the revision of it.
Yeah.
This is now Luca Air.
Luca Air.
So this is the standard. It has a hinged glass panel in the front where you can get easy access, get into. We wanted to add an airflow option, so it includes two 200 millimeter fans, but it still does give you that easy hinge, quick access. So you can still open this, get in here if you need to, change out RAM, easy access.
That is true, because most of the time you have to take the whole panel off.
Yes.
And it's a pain in the ass if you got like cables and wires and everything. All right, this is cool with this pin out soon, and that's good. Just magnetic, right? Yeah, all good. All good, all good. Easy access right there. Fantastic. Again, this is new.
Yes.
Landing launch Q2, Q3, right?
This one's going to be Q3 or Q4, I would say.
Q4.
Yeah.
What is this here?
It's a handle.
What's a handle?
Yeah, it's quite sturdy, actually.
Check this out here. It's a handle, right? I love handles. I love a handle in the case. Look at that. I can lift it up. All right, cool. Solid too. It feels solid.
Yeah. This is again, it's for the enthusiast segment of the DIY market. So it's premium materials used inside of it. Very thick aluminum.
Yeah.
So it gives some weight to it.
I noticed you have a. Is that a graphics card holder as well?
Yeah, it's adjustable. So it's a GPU stand.
Okay, so
anti-sag bracket essentially.
Yeah.
It can be adjusted based on the GPU height you have.
Yeah, because most cases don't have graphics card holders. So if you can check it out, come here. You can see it. You can adjust the graphics card support right there. Fantastic. All right. So this is the TRYX Luca L70 Air.
L70 Air, yeah.
All right. Okay. Next up.
Next, we have our Arc Vision.
So
if you're familiar with our Panorama CPU AIO cooler. The case was designed and inspired to complement that design idea entirely. So it has a very similar curved design.
Yep.
Also features, there's a curved screen model where it's the exact same screen.
Look at that. Normally we have an LCD. It's a square. It's just on the side. It doesn't do much, but this is like a really attractive piece right there. Look at the LCD curve.
Thank you.
Fantastic. This is all controlled using the Canali software, right?
Yeah. Actually, we can swing over and a live demo I can show you.
Oh, that's really good. I love that. Okay, so this is the...
this is the Arc Vision.
Arc Vision.
Yes, and it's available with the screen.
Right.
MSRP on it's about $239. Without the screen, $119.
Right. Got you.
And we're going to be coming out with our own PCIe 5.0 riser cables as well.
5.0.
5.0.
PCIe 5.0. Most of the ones you see on the market are PCIe 4.
Yeah.
For 5, I've never seen any of those 5. But they are expensive.
We call it our string.
String. PCIe 5. Watch out for these PCIe 5 extenders. All right. Okay, let's go over the side.
This is our case that we call Flova.
All right.
So it's very minimalistic design.
Yeah, it's got
you have the
very
wood
homely
feet.
feel to
Exactly.
It's like a carpet. Okay, how do you take this off? It's magnetic again? Oh, it's got the pops. Okay, the pops.
Yeah, it's got pins.
What is this thing? It's got like a...
So yeah, this is actually our patent pending design. So we can move over here. I'll show you.
Okay, cool.
So part of the reason we named it Flova is because the airflow, really good airflow of the case itself. It actually has a cross-flow fan integrated into a side air intake. So this single cross-flow fan here, this 90-degree air intake, has the same performance as 3 140 millimeter fans.
So this is on the side.
Yeah, it's actually right here.
The fans are rotate. It's like a rotating fan inside, right?
Yes, it's a cross-flow fan.
All right, cross-flow fan. It's not like your traditional fan blades.
Yeah.
It's the stuff that you find in like some of the air conditioning units in shopping centers. Okay.
So it pulls air in through the side and shoots it out through the back.
And it shoots out.
And you can feel feel the performance off of it.
That's crazy. That's good because you can either get a lot of big fans like in the front, kind of block the view of the PC, and you have fans on that side because again it blocks everything. But if you got fans like this, it blows air in and then through the system.
So we're actually going to be shipping the product. MSRP on it should be around $140.
Okay.
It does include the cross-flow fan and one rear exhaust fan.
Right.
But there's still tons of potential to add more fans if you want to.
Yeah. So
this is a live case again featuring that TRYX air cooler. There's capabilities you can still, even if you have this in the front. With it installed, you can still add an additional 3 120 millimeter fans in the front.
Yeah.
An additional 2 on the backside.
Right.
3 on the top, 2 on the PSU shroud, and then again you have the one exhaust. Yeah. So there's a ton of airflow options.
And it's compatible with 360 all-in-one radiators.
Yeah.
All that.
Fully compatible.
Okay, cool.
And if you do remove the crossflow fan, which I don't know why you would, but if you did want to, it is compatible with 140 millimeters in the front.
Oh, bigger fans.
Yeah.
Right, for a bigger setup. Okay.
But again, this gives you the performance of three 140s.
Right. I can feel the airflow.
Yeah.
Really, really fast there. Okay, great.
So again, yeah, innovation is key to us as a brand, kind of what we strive to do.
Yeah.
So we wanted to give that kind of minimalistic design build, but still have a unique feature inside of it, and that's where the crossflow fan comes in.
Tell me what this is.
This is just a live build showing the, what's possible utilizing our Panorama SE. So this isn't our case or anything. It's just a build showcasing how a complete setup can look.
Right. Got ya.
As you can control your videos for the Arc Vision, as you saw the Panorama water blocks, as you saw. Lucius is also going to be our new high performance fan that's controllable through our Canali software. So there's 32 individual addressable RGBs per fan. They can all be controlled individually, or you can do a number of preset options.
Wait a minute. What connectors are they using?
USB Type-C.
Type-C.
Yes.
It's the trend now. Everybody's using fans with USB-C, which makes sense. Makes sense. Okay.
So they're going to come in a 3-pack with our controller. The controller is capable of controlling up to 16 fans.
16 fans?
Yes.
Yeah, like you got it right there, right? That's 12. You're going to up to 16.
Yeah, there's 12 here, but it can do up to 16.
Okay.
So again, you have all of your individual presets that you can do. You can customize it. You can do each individual lighting node if you want to.
Yeah.
So there's
the
quite a bit.
That you've developed is pretty powerful. It's got a lot of options. You can add a lot of things to it.
Yes, yeah, it's our own in-house software, so there's a lot of time and a lot of resources spent to try to deliver the best possible customer experience.
So that's all you have for TRYX. So thank you, Miguel, for your time.
Thank you. It was a pleasure.
And, I'm sure we work on projects. I'm sure going to be building stuff with TRYX. Okay,
Let's do
guys,
it.
thank you.
Thank you.